Hi there, here's a simple food can dispenser / organizer that I've made out of 5.5 inch by 1/2 inch wood. I used some old leftover hardwood flooring I had, but any 1/2 inch wood will work. You'll need to cut 9 pieces of 1/2 inch wood at varying lengths. Start by screwing together the base floor, back wall, and top floor. Make sure each piece is screwed together square at a 90-degree angle. Now screw the front wall to the mid-floor and make sure it's square. Now go ahead and attach a bottom side wall to the top and bottom floors. Make sure this bottom wall is flush with the back wall and the floor. Now install only one screw at the front of the wall. Add the remaining screws after the floors have been lifted about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch so that the floors slope down. Repeat the same process for the other side. This is what it should look like when both bottom walls have been attached. Now attach the top wall. It just needs to be flush with the bottom wall. Repeat on the other side. Now that the side walls are installed, we can now attach the front wall and the mid-floor. Make sure the front wall is flush at the top and sides of the wall. Only add screws to the bottom of the front wall on both sides. Now rotate the front wall about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch so that the mid-floor slopes down. You can now finish securing everything in place. Alright, we're almost done now. You just need to add a stop for the cans. You can use another piece of wood or even a metal bracket, or in my case, I'm using a leftover cabinet edge pull. If you find that your cans jam at the corners of each of the floor level changes, then the best solution is to simply glue in a couple of small wood pieces or blocks at each of the corners. And one last tip, remember to drill out your holes before you install the screws. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and good luck on your project.